Mike. We're here at the house. I'm with Chad and Allie, and we're here to talk about the electrical.
Yep.
And go ahead.
Yep, go through the house. We're going to pinpoint where the TVs and look at all the light locations and kind of get everything finalized before it gets buttoned up. So that's the purpose of this walkthrough.
So we're going in. Let's go.
No problem.
And we finished up, Mike, here at your house. Everything looks so nice. We've gone through and decided where the TVs are supposed to go and all the electric receptacles, so we're right on. So thanks a lot, Mike.
See you, Mike.